Hi, so welcome back to another video on my channel. So in this video we're just going to have a look at the new DJI drone. So DJI have done it again. They brought out a new drone. It's the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. So this is moving on from the DJI Mavic 3, which came out last year or earlier this year. So this is an amazing drone. It's affordable for most people because the DJI Mavic 3 was more than a professional drone, and it had 2 cameras on it as well. So the DJI Mavic 3 Classic has only just got 1 camera on it. So this drone looks amazing. I don't know when the release date is. I think it's sometime later on this month. But this drone has some other really good features on it. So DJI have really pulled the magic out of the bag. So they've got a really good night mode feature on there as well. So when you're filming at night, you can get a really good clarity on your images and video. And I can't believe on this new drone as well, it's got cruise control. So apparently you can just set your drone, move the stick and press cruise control, and it will just, continue doing its movements. Even on a panning movement, you just put it in cruise control and it'll pan all the way around. So that's amazing new technology on a drone. Cruise control is normally on a car, and it's quite funny to see it on a drone. For that technology. So let's just get straight into the video of the DJI Mavic 3 Classic.
A new member of the Mavic 3 series has arrived. Introducing Mavic 3 Classic. With a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, captures stunning imagery with vivid yet natural coloring in every frame. 5.1K video delivers professional-grade footage and super sampling for 4K 60 FPS. And a 46-minute max flight time gives you significantly more airtime to explore and capture it all. With DJI O3 Plus video transmission, experience ultra-smooth feeds and fly safe with omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 5.0. The newly added Night Shots mode lets you capture brilliant low-light video with reduced noise. And with cruise control, simply set the speed and direction to start moving, leaving you free to focus on your shots. Enjoy unlimited creative potential and explore your vivid world with DJI Mavic 3 Classic.